What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. I am so freaking pumped that you are here today. If you're new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos throughout the month. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss out. If you get to the end of this video and you enjoyed it or got something from the content, give it that thumbs up. You guys freaking rock. Today, Matt and I are tooling around Virginia on the motorcycles. It is gorgeous out, so let's hit the road. Before we hit the road, I've got some updates to the bike. They are small but mighty. Over here, we've got Gecko newly installed on my motorcycle. This is my son's favorite PJ Mask. If you're unfamiliar with them, you probably don't have a toddler. We dressed up for them for Halloween, and ever since, I am inevitably always Owlette. My husband is always Catboy, and he is always Gecko. Matt's got the same thing on his handlebars, except it's Marshall from Paw Patrol. Again, another toddler reference. And then Matt ordered these sick washers to go on the seat screw. Pretty sick. Let's hit the road. What you doing? What you doing? We'll get a sidecar for you.
Yeah, right.
Got all our gear on, we've got our Sennas hooked up, and we are ready to hit the road. Or so we thought. Matt forgot his sunglasses, so we whipped a quick Yui and went back to the house, and now we're ready to hit the road. It is a gorgeous day out, 70s, sunny, just perfect riding weather. So we are on our way to a brewery. It is on one of our favorite roads to ride the motorcycles on because of all the twists and turns. You can see Gecko is securely on for the ride. It just cracks me up to see this little guy on my handlebars doing a handstand. So we pulled over again because it did get a little bit chilly. And note to any ladies riders out there or those of us who have earrings, dangly earrings do not feel good under a full-faced helmet. So I took those off. Matt got another layer on, and we were ready to rock and roll again. Headed into downtown Marshall here. We're behind this lovely white Mercedes that didn't know what they were doing, so they pulled over, let us go by. Woo! And the ride continues. Bike is feeling great. It's not making that lovely squealing noise, and the turning is feeling good. So I think part of that was just not being on the bike a lot and getting used to or getting acclimated to that. Gecko has since fallen off. It is not a good idea to put your helmet on that mirror. So I've learned my lesson, and he'll be getting glued back on. In this video, you see Matt leading, and you may wonder why he always leads when we ride. When I lead, our Sennas sound like there is a bag of rocks like in our helmet. So here we go up our favorite twisty road. I decided to take the lead despite the noise, just to feel a little bit more comfortable going at my, my own pace and making sure that the turning and the handling felt good. Just a little out of practice. I've been riding the bike all week and have started to feel way more comfortable on it. But as you can see, there's so many twists and turns, and it's going up the side of a mountain. This is about 10 to 15 minutes worth of just twisty, turny curves. Not quite the same as the ones that we saw in North Carolina at the Tail of the Dragon. All the roads around there are freaking awesome for motorcycles. This is definitely close to it. So we're making our way up to the top. Nobody in front of us, which is fantastic, and nobody behind us. Win. As we get to the top of this hill, you guys aren't going to be able to see it, but there's this gorgeous house that literally sits on the top of it, and they have two like lawn chairs out and a tree swing with like a wooden board, and it looks so picturesque, and their views are just sick. So Matt's gonna take the lead here. The entryway into this brewery is tight, it is gravel, and they do have motorcycle parking here, which is fantastic. But you don't know how many motorcycles are gonna be there and where you're going to be able to park. So Matt took the lead, and as we approached the brewery. Today, a good amount of motorcycles there. We saw some sick bikes, and we enjoyed our day at the brewery, had a fun ride back. Beautiful Saturday. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.